Alright, we're going to make a quick video here on how to use Vernier Graphical Analysis with a motion detector to make motion graphs of our own. So I'm going to go in here and I'm just looking for the Chrome web store. Been there before, recognizes me. It's actually an app that I'm going to want here, so I have to go over, I guess after I search, I'm going to search for Graphical Analysis. Yeah. And initially I don't see it because it's showing extensions. I have to click on Apps. Ooh, there it is. I've already got it installed. And because I've already got it installed, it shows up down here in my menu of stuff. I think that happens automatically. I don't know. The other stuff you're going to need, a motion detector. These little beauties, you can see how they're put away neatly. The cord's unplugged and then just, the cord's unplugged and then just gently wound around the thing. So you need one of those, and you're going to need, from over in here, a LabQuest Mini. You might have used these in other classes. They go back in these nice little boxes here. It's nice and organized. And so, let's see if I can do all this one-handed. Inside the box, I should have a LabQuest Mini, along with a USB cable of sorts. This end goes into the LabQuest Mini. Make sure you've got it oriented the proper way. You're going to have to find your USB port on your Chromebook, which might be different than my Chromebook. Come on, buddy. And get that plugged in there. Come on. One-handed. Okay. And then for the motion detector, let's see. Fumbling to deal with this one. In 1 second, let me just. All right, that was so much easier with two hands. These connectors have different orientations depending on the probe. We need to plug into the Dig1 port today. So I'm going to try that quick. Had to turn it. Okay, so that's clicked in there. The other end is going to go into the motion detector. Okay, so I've got a green light here. I've got a, I would say, red light, although it looks orange in the video there. Now that that's all plugged in, I'm going to go back over here and fire up the graphical analysis, and it's going to auto detect that I've got a motion detector hooked up. So it's got a position time graph, and then also a thing called a velocity time graph. What is velocity? Well, that's the slope on the position versus time graph. So we're going to have a graph of position versus time, and then a graph of the slope of position versus time. So hey, that makes sense. You can kind of embiggen it there, and then I can hit collect, and if something's moving over here, then it shows up on the graphs. Okay, and we're just going to try to make sense of those different graphs today. All right, that should be it. Cheers.